Hey guys, and welcome back. We're here with Spirit, and we are continuing the quest, which would be helping to Thalia finding a gorgeous black horse for her movie, which is based on a comic book. So let's get right into this. The Lusitano is nimble, clever, and strong, which makes him the ideal working horse. It is Portugal's pride. Isn't that right, Sirio? Anyway, I checked in with Steve and he said that there are no tasks for me at the farm today, but Landon and everyone in the fields could use help with his flock. Will you join Sirio and me, Emma? Sure. Let's go. I really like Jorvik. We're from Portugal, so this is a lot more northern than we're used to, but quite beautiful. Oh, okay. Bye. I'm going to sound like I'm madly in love with my horse, but I am. He's amazing, a true PSL. That's Pura Sang Lusitano. Sounds cool, right? Spirit, we're a bit too fast. We're a bit too fast for that. It's just... Lusitanos are one of the oldest breeds of riding horses in general. Did you know the most European warmbloods were originally bred to be carriage horses? I did not know that, but now I do. Whoa! Whoa, sharp turns! Sharp turns, Luciana. Sirio is not an easy horse. He's quite sensitive, so if we don't know what you're doing, well, maybe stick to a simpler breed, if you don't know. Okay, her text, she speaks fast. She has a really cool saddle. Ooh, that saddle's really cool. Going too fast. This is the music that goes on when you level up. And we have a long way to go. This whole thing is actually quite fun. Lusitanos are very often used in film productions. A lot of major movies horses are actually Lusitanos. Alright, just get over to Steve. Okay, you were sure taking a while, weren't you, Luciana? Yeah, you were. Landon looks worried. I hope nothing is wrong. Luciana and Sirio, you're just the pair I need. I see you brought a friend. Hello, Emma. Steve said you were having trouble with your flock. How can we help? We had quite a fright earlier. There was a wolf. Okay, sorry guys. We had quite a fright earlier. There was a wolf. Must have wandered over from Firgrove. He didn't hurt my darlings, but it did put them in quite a panic. Took me all morning to get them home. I think every sheep's accounted for it, but something feels off. What's wrong, Landon? That is like such a glitch. Okay. Poor Landon. We must see if there's something we can do to help. Okay. Sirio and I will help however we can. Just tell us what we can do. Okay. If you could help me get a count, that'd put this old mind at ease. Of course, Landon. Emma, you should make a count as well so we are doubly sure. She ride with one hand? That's cool. That was fun. How many did you count? I counted 7. Did you get the same, Emma? You nod. Oh no, that won't do at all. One of them is missing. My precious sheep. This can't be happening. Breathe, Landon, breathe. Let me have a look. Which one is missing? Oh no, not Solar. She's the smallest of the bunch. What if the wolf comes back? Girls, you have to help me find her. Of course, we will not let you down. Oh, okay, Spirit. Did not know this was happening, but okay. Poor Landon, we must find the lost lamb and bring her back to the flock. Okay. Where did you last see Solar? Solar. Okay. After the scare, most of the flock headed towards those woods to the east. They find shelter there in a storm. I guess it makes them feel safe. I suppose that's where I'd start looking. Then that is where we shall begin our search. Solar has the sweetest cry. I know it's her. You'll know it's her if you hear it. Swiftly, Sirio, Emma, follow me. Okay, where does she keep running off to? Can I go a bit faster? Okay. Sound is coming into the game. Oh, okay, we can just go a bit ahead here. Sorry, Luciana, but we've got to find land and sheep, and you're taking a while. No offense, but like, okay, there's the sound. There. Sound, where's the sound? Luciana, I lost the sound. Oh, there it is. Here, run through the sound. Okay. Okay, one more. Oh my god, look at that bird! That is so cute! How did you just teleport? Oh my god. There's actually trash in this forest. It's really sad. Oh my god, is that your little lamb, Solar? Oh no! She's stuck in the thorns. There she is. Poor little Solar. She's all tangled up in a bush. No, really. Unrealized. No, get off. Other side, please. I can talk to Luciana, not cross you. Oh, she's black. She's pretty. Poor little thing. Let us try to get her out together. Whoop. Careful now. On my mark. Solar. Okay. Solar, are you? Oh, she's almost out. Hello? Why is this not working? Yeah, you're out. Hey. Oh, maybe we need to close her. Oh, the poor little thing. Come here, little Solar. Her legs are twitching. We'll get you back to your herd. Good job, Emma. Who knows what might have happened if we hadn't found her in time. Okay. So let's quickly get on Spirit because I prefer being on Spirit. Let us take this sweet girl back to Landon. He will be so relieved to know Solar is safe. Okay, let's go. Can I go ahead or... we'll take that as yes. Meet you guys there. I'll just tell Landon so he doesn't have to worry. You know, I plan ahead, guys. I plan. Or not. Why didn't you tell me? It was so slippery here. Okay, did I lose them? And I think I lost them. Oh yeah, that's what I thought. These are the hollow woods. That's what I thought. Yeah, big rock. Sorry, Spirit, but like, can't really see where I'm going. Let's jump. So we love jump. Wait to say we love jumping. Extra high. Okay, Landon. Don't have to stress anymore. Oh my god, those bunnies are so cute. There we go. All in a day's work for my best friend Cereal. Solar! Bah! Bah! My little girl, I'm so sorry I didn't notice you were gone. I know how I can make it up to you though. How about you get your own bucket of mineral feed tonight? Thank you so much, Luciana and Cereal. You too, Emma. Really, Cereal did all the work. I would have gotten lost without him. He's a remarkable horse. Your Cereal. What did you say he was again? A Lusitania? A Lusitano. Portugal's pride and joy. You will not find a more able friend. Landon, should you decide to move to sheep herding by horseback. Okay. I have not forgotten why you first came to me, Emma. The movie. Between our work and training, we do not have a lot of time for idle pursuits. But this movie, Cinderella, was it? This is popular in Jorvik? Even by starring in this movie, Cereal can spread awareness of the Lusitano. And how can I refuse? Just as long as they can work around our busy schedule. The needs of the farmers come first. Enough about work. How do you feel about a race, Emma? Last one to the riding arena buys the pastel de nata. You have not tried? Oh, Emma, you must. But first, we race. You heard her, Spirit. Let's show her what we've got, huh? Oh, this sounds like Spanish or Portuguese music. Sorry, guys. Oh, there's a girl right here. Oh, that's for the Potato Festival race. I wonder if the Potato Festival is still going. I actually filmed that on the 31st of May. And it was supposed to end on the 30th of May, so like, yay for that. Okay, I don't want to look behind because like, by the time I do all that, she could already beat me. I didn't know you could go this way and it just straight lead you to the wine. Yeah, it'll lead you guys straight to the wine. No, to the oh, that's like a dead tree. That's really sad. I didn't know. No, go, Spirit, go, run. I didn't know that this trail led you right here because then if you just turn here, it brings you to the riding hall, and I didn't know that. But I guess now I do. Imagine if we have a black Lusitano, and she's like, I have to have that black Lusitano. We're riding one. Have you not realized? Oh, there you are. I'm like, where are you? Spirit ran well. Spirit ran well. You share a strong bond, like me and Cereal. We must race again sometime. The casting director is waiting in here. Very well. Thank you so much for your friendship, Emma, and for bringing us this opportunity to introduce the Lusitano to the world. Wish us luck. Okay. Quickly do that. Wait, I cannot do this yet. Not without asking Cereal's feelings first. Cereal, do you want to proceed with this edition? If you become famous, it could change your life. I have seen these celebrities on television. They cannot walk down the street of Jorvik without being hounded for autographs. Is that what you want? No. You're not nervous? I know how much you hate cameras. Shake, shake. Then let us go in there and make Portugal proud. Oh, that's me. Whoa, you got some skills.